And there it is. Oh my gosh, $69,000. Just like that, in only a few minutes.
Hey, my beautiful people. Sniff, what a day, huh? I'm chilling on Bybit again. You already know me. Always glowing here like I've got 10 suns in my pocket. So, big news. The free Bitcoin story continues. Free Bitcoin, free crypto, free happiness raining down on us. Check this out. The promo is back and running until 2026. Yeah, that's years of free goodies. All you gotta do is type in the code BTC06 free, and boom, it's yours. All right, let me hop into Twitter and show you the full details, because this one is too juicy to just talk about.
So yeah, next move, there's this site called bio.com. You just hop in and they literally hand you money. Like a little digital gift basket. It's so simple it almost feels like cheating at life. I'm already jumping in, no point wasting words. Boom. I'm on the site. First step, quick registration. And while I'm filling this out, let me just say, this is all completely free. No catch, no weird fees. Whether you decide to repeat it or not, that's your personal adventure. I'm just showing what worked for me. And honestly, not too bad.
All right, ticking the box. Registration time, Oh wait, nope, didn't work. Captcha time. Haha, okay. Eye contact with the screen. Choosing this, and this. Nope, wrong again. Now it wants clothes. Fine, picking the jacket, the shoes, the hat. And boom, done. I'm in. Registered like a champ. Now, the sweetest part. Time to drop in the free promo code. Typing it. BTC06 free. Haha! Oh look, green check mark. It worked. Balance check. Oh yes, baby. 0.6 Bitcoin shining right there. Told you, Bybit doesn't lie.
All right, time to withdraw. Choosing Bitcoin, network, also Bitcoin, of course. Now it needs an address. Opening my Trust wallet, copy the wallet, paste it in, save the address, max amount, and withdraw. Oh wait, looks like I need to top up 0.0006 first to make the withdrawal. Ha, no problem, I'll do it. All for the video, all for you guys. Let's test this together, see it through. Okay, Bitcoin again. Network Bitcoin again. I'm getting tired of clicking, but fine. Minimum 0.0005, but whatever, I'll toss 0.0006, just a flex. Address, paste, amount, set, click send. Poof! Boom! Off it goes. Money flying like pigeons at the park. Back to the site. Whoa! Already there. Balance updated, green lights everywhere. Jump into transactions. Yep, it's all listed. Feels good, baby. Everything's clean, everything's smooth. Snip. All right, guys, final chapter. Let's go for the withdrawal. Oh, wait, let me check my profile. Yep, verified. Perfect. And listen, I'm asking you straight. Drop a like, hit subscribe. I'm doing this for you. Only for you. Okay, back to it. Withdrawal time. Same thing, copy my wallet, paste it in. The procedure's so simple now I could do it blindfolded. Click withdraw. Oh, not working? Fine, refresh the page, try again. Honestly, I'm tired of talking here. I don't post videos that often. And now, the monumental moment. Okay, redoing it. Bitcoin, same drill. I'll just click fast, no words. Withdraw, and yes, finally! Boys, I'm losing my mind. Let me check. Transactions show up. Funds gone from balance. Perfect! All right, not celebrating too early. Sniff. Let's double check. Opening the wallet. Refresh. Refresh again. One more refresh. Come on. And there it is. Oh my gosh, $69,000. Just like that, in only a few minutes. This is unbelievable.
Guys, I'm honestly shocked, but in the best way possible. If you repeat this, let me know how it worked for you. I swear, this method is real. Much love to all of you. Thank you for being here. Wishing you nothing but good vibes. See you next time.